Welcome back to the car collection, where speed, style, and spine-tingling sound come standard. Today, we're stepping into the realm of raw power and razor-sharp precision. This is the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT, a machine that doesn't whisper performance, it screams it. One look, and it's game over. The 2026 AMG GT is sculpted like a predator. From that signature Panamericana grille, sleek matrix LED headlights, to the long hood and fastback rear, it's pure aggression, sculpted in aluminum and carbon fiber. Wider, lower, meaner, this isn't just a sports car, it's a statement. Optional carbon aero packs, a deployable rear wing, and center lock wheels let you spec it for both the streets and the circuit. Under the hood? The latest AMG GT rocks a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out a brutal 585 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque in the GT63 trim. 0 to 60? Just 3.2 seconds. Top speed? North of 310 km per hour. Power is sent through a snappy 9-speed AMG SpeedShift gearbox, and here's the twist. All-wheel drive, with drift mode, of course. It grips when you need it, slides when you want it. Adaptive suspension, active roll stabilization, rear-wheel steering, it's track-ready tech in a Grand Tourer body. Step inside and it's luxury meets fighter jet. Deep AMG performance seats, digital MBUX superscreen, customizable drive modes, and a flat-bottom Alcantara wheel with rotary selectors. Ambient lighting, Burmester audio, and premium leather everywhere remind you this car may be feral, but it's still a Mercedes. The AMG GT is more refined than ever, while still wild when you want it. Comfort mode smooths out the daily drive. Sport Plus unleashes the beast. And race mode? Well, hang on tight. Steering is laser precise, the exhaust is pure drama, and the chassis dances like it's lighter than it looks. Pricing? Expect the 2026 AMG GT to start around $140,000, with high-spec GT63 models pushing $170,000 plus. But this isn't just a fast car, it's AMG's beating heart in pure form. So, daily drive, weekend track toy, or dream garage material? Let us know in the comments. And as always, like, subscribe, and stay locked in. This is the car collection, where every car has a story, and some of them scream it at redline.